Hi, I'm Dr. Siegmund from CORE Chiropractic, and I'm here today to show you the elbow plank. Now there's a couple different variations to perform the plank, but this is going to be the easiest one for you because it does take some of the pressure off of your wrist and your shoulders. But I'll show you the most common plank, which is the elbow. Now what we want to do is we want to eventually work our way up to about 10 minutes total, but what we want you to try to do is hold this as long as you can. Now it's almost kind of like performing a push-up. So I tell people in order to perform the plank, to be in a push-up type position, okay, just like this, making sure that your spine is in a neutral position, and then what you'll do is you'll just drop down to your elbows, just like this. And what you want to do in order to perform the plank is making sure that you're allowing your bottom to stay up. If you feel like your back sags at any point, that means that the abs are not engaged anymore, and you're not allowing yourself to have that proper core stability, so just stop doing the plank. But what you want to do is hold that plank position as long as you can, making sure that you're holding your head up as well. Don't let your head drop for too long, especially if you do have some neck pain. That can cause some irritation and some tightness into the neck. So just try to make sure you're holding up into a good proper position. Now I tell people in the beginning to try and hold it as long as they can. Most people last about 30 seconds. But if you feel like you started having some back pain or some tightness and your bottom starts to drop down, hold off on doing the plank, perform it again. Allow yourself a few minutes just to relax, just to make sure that you're not having any issues with that back tightening up too much. Come back into the position, hold it for as long as you can, feeling those abs really engage. And as soon as you feel like you're getting too tired and you start to get the shakes, drop down. What you want to do is accumulate up to 5 minutes as quick as you can, but in the beginning just start out for about 2 minutes total.